Boarding passes, please. This is Survive the Titanic, the card game, the premier game from Best True Crime Books, Video, and Games LLC. Award-winning books now brings you games based on true crime and dark history. You start with a lifeboat card. Next, meet actual Titanic survivors. They are not as famous as J.J. Astor or Molly Brown, but they each have a fascinating story to tell. The blue number tells you must load 3 different survivors in your lifeboat. The number on the life vest is the lifeboat this survivor actually boarded. Place the survivor in the correct lifeboat and you get extra points. The red number on the oar is how many points each card is worth. You will tally your points at the end of the game.
All aboard!
You need equipment on a lifeboat. Items on Titanic's manifest. You must load 6 different pieces of equipment into your lifeboat, and each piece is worth 5 points. Leave luggage on the ship. It takes up space and adds weight. Things like hat boxes and cellos are cards you want to get rid of, and they are worth negative points. Did you know the average first-class passenger had 23 bags of luggage? SOS cards are action cards. They can change your luck in an instant, just like an iceberg, or weather conditions, or the speed of a ship. Like a telegram, there's information and interaction with other players when you play an SOS card. The object of the game is to be the first player to collect a specific number of survivors and equipment in your lifeboat before the ship sinks card is played. Everyone gets a lifeboat at random. Next, each player gets 12 cards. Players can A. Discard a card, B. Pick up a card, C. Pick up a card and discard a card, or D. Play an SOS card, with a game time average of 45 minutes. It will also come in a deluxe version. Best True Crime Books, Games, and Video LLC reminds you these were actual people who survived a horrific tragedy. The team created this game partly to allow their memory to live on, and we hope you respect and honor those who sailed Titanic and learn about the Titanic while you play. A percentage will be donated to a nonprofit organization dedicated to keeping the memory of Titanic and her people alive. We hope you will come aboard.